this car doesn't deserve a wash.
Wait, nothing's gonna come out of the oil filter? My cable is so stretched. It's the season, arguably the saddest part of the year, when I have to put the fun summer car away and bring out the slow, ugly beater car. Which sounds bad, and for the most part it is, but what it means is I don't have to baby a car for a full season. I don't care if this thing gets dented, scratched, it really doesn't make a difference to me. I just get to drive and not worry about anything. So the plan today is to get this thing ready for another season of abuse. Here's my professionally done studio with my massive budget I have, and we're gonna build a checklist for what needs to be done today. Comment down below right now if you think the painter's tape's gonna head up to the end of the video, because I know some of you are doubting me. All right, start with number 1. Oil change. Gotta get the oil change done because that's been sitting there for way too long. Considering I didn't even do it when I put the car away, since it was kind of a spur of the moment, rebuild my car, put that one away type deal. Oil change is like first priority. These two kind of go together, but I need to wash the car because again, it hasn't been washed in probably 8 months and the interior is still disgusting. Hold the judgment. I'm gonna get that done because it's really pretty gross. Next one's gonna be a brake service. Need to get these things done because the winter's getting pretty close and these things haven't been serviced in over 1.5 years, and I'd like to be able to stop, you know, when the winter's already a little sketchy enough. Then we gotta tighten the e-brake. Since we're already in there, the e-brake comes all the way to the top with like little resistance, so I really don't know how it's holding, but it is. Last thing on the list is gonna be just to fill the tires since they're pretty deflated. There's more things that need to happen, but the car's not insured right now, so I can't actually drive it on the road. But I need to get gas, put fuel stabilizer in it, do all that jazz. So, sorry, one more thing. Last thing, pretty self-explanatory. I just need to inspect the car, make sure everything's in working order, make sure I don't need any filters, there's ball joint out, stuff like that. So, this seems to be the list. I don't know why I put this one up on, but it is what it is. Oh, holy, am I an artist? There's the Mitsubishi logo for you. So, there's the car we're working on, there's everything we have to do. Mitt. Pretty much nothing. She's dry. I think we could probably go another year, but if it's on sale, I'll replace it, you know? If I'm there, I may as well. No, I got oil on my phone. Honestly, I thought the car would definitely be high enough, but I'm still running into so many issues. Then we got the filter. Wait, nothing's gonna come out of the oil filter? That's brutal. Just like that, oil change is done. Just gotta put the oil in. I think this is gonna be the most exciting part of today, but now we get to go. Boom, one thing off the list, and we're only 40 minutes in. This was a pleasant surprise, but I thought these tires were like super low. But 730 seconds is pretty good still. That's like half life. I was under the impression that there were like 530 seconds or less. So, 2 of the slide pins on the rear brakes are kind of unusable now. One's bent to like a 45-degree angle, and the other was just rounded out completely. That's pretty brutal. Just like that, she's in. Means it's time to check some more things off the board. Check. Haha, that's why I put the chocks behind it. 2 more things down. 1, 2. Let's finish off another one. I lied, actually technically I haven't finished the oil change yet, so let's do that and see how much time we have. Yeah, no, she ain't gonna start. Just to catch everyone up to speed, because I'm having a little dinner party tonight, so need to have the driveway clear. Car was here, pushed it, got stuck. Tried to push it back up the driveway. No chance I'm doing that by myself. So I'm like, let's see if I can bump start it in that corner. Got a little jump, but flopped. So to finish off the story, I tried to start it, starter I thought was dead. So I pushed it onto the road, which was an absolute hassle, because I got, the brakes are like kind of locked up in the back. I'm not dealing with it, it'll grind off, it's not a big deal. They were half stuck, so I had to push it off the driveway solo and then parallel park it right where the G is. What a mission.
What a B-roll. What a B-roll. Hold on.
What a pain in the...
Got it. So, oh, sorry, I forgot the B-roll. Give me a sec. That looks so good.
The disrespect, man. First crank. We're gonna finish off the whiteboard. We're gonna tighten the e-brake and clean the interior. Washing cars, probably gonna just do it when the car's back on the road because it's technically not road legal. So it's not insured yet. So once the insurance is back on, I'm just gonna go take it to a car wash because it's really cold right now and I don't wanna set up all the hoses because I'd probably freeze. So let's start with this. So stretched. This is what I'm doing here. This cable is my e-brake cable. You can see all the slack in it. That's the big issue. So it doesn't actually get tight until at the top. This is where it starts having tension on it. This nut, we just have to tighten it down until it takes out all the slack and then we should be good. That looks like the max I can max it out. And it's still not good, but it's definitely better. There's tightness at least before I get to the top. So it takes about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So around 7 to 8 is when it starts getting tight, which it's better than like the 16 that it was before. There's gotta be some dark magic associated with checklist because there's no reason this should be so satisfying. So the car is finally ready for the winter season. We can check the last thing off the list because I'm not gonna be washing the car because this car doesn't deserve a wash. And even if I do, I'm just gonna go to a car wash like a regular human being. So we can cross that one off. Next week, I'm gonna be preparing the G37 to go to storage. So if you wanna check that out, stick around. And in the meantime, if you wanna continue watching my content, because I appreciate it, I'll link another video right here. Believe me, you're gonna wanna check it out. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.